everyone, KittyX here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to take and update your driver for free. The first thing you need to do is go to this website. I'll leave it down in the description, and all you gotta do is click download and install it to your PC. The next thing you're gonna need to do is open up the system property and create a restored point, so whenever your driver are say you're gonna take and install some new driver to your system, well, in case your drivers are malfunctioning or didn't install correctly, it's always good to fall back on a restore point that you created before proceeding to install drivers. And then once you actually start creating the restore points, all you gotta do is click the scan button here. As you can see, it's scanning quite fast. It's gonna scan everything that you have attached to it, even if it's like a wireless mouse. Alright. The sound here is the restore point being completed. Alright. Say that you're gonna actually take in start downloading something. You click the update buttons, and sometimes it'll take less than a minute to maybe 6 hours to take and download a driver. One of the drivers that I actually think takes the longest is the graphic card driver, but let's pretend that we already installed this, which I have one that's sitting at 100%. Alright, so click that. Say we're gonna manually install it, and it takes you to the file explorer. You want to copy and paste whatever in this text box here, and then close out of that. The next thing you need to do is open up your device manager, and one of the things I actually like doing is going up here to the view tab and click device by container. That will actually organize my drivers in one neat file. That way you don't have to take and search for it. Another thing that you also need to click on is the show hidden devices. Sometimes you'll take in update a driver and you cannot take and find it. For example, the motherboard resources. So that is one thing that you should always take a look for. It pretty much hides extra driver that should only be counted for one, but it's counted for multiples. Alright, we'll go back here, and then say that we can't take and find this on our driver list, and it's sometimes these drivers have a new name. We will take and go down here, view details, and it'll take and say oh, this is for this device, and it has a new name. So that's just the device details in case you can't find the driver that you're looking for. Alright, so you don't always have to take and click this button. You can always just click the file location. Alright, I'm gonna make sure I actually have this copied. Okay, so this here is the PCIe adapter, and it's got the name here. Alright, so it's this one here. Alright, right click whatever driver you're updating, and instead of going for search automatically for updated software, this is not very accurate, and it can sometimes not tell you if your driver need an update. So click the browse my computer for software driver and just paste whatever link that you have in this bar here. Now, one thing you need to make sure is this box is checked. That way, any times there's a folder in this link, it will count it as well. If not, it will probably take and break your computer, and you'll have to take and go back to the restore point. Alright. So now it's updating the driver. Sometimes it'll take a while, but it doesn't take as long as downloading the driver, so you won't have to wait long for this. And there you have it. All you gotta do is take and go to the next item and install it, and then do the same process again. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like and a comment as to what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.